Hey guys, welcome back, and for those that are new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and for today I wanted to go over a topic that I feel like it's very important and not a lot of people like to talk about. I don't know why people don't want to help each other out, but here I am. I don't have a big following. I am only at now 2,000 on YouTube, 11,000 on Instagram, 32,000 on TikTok. So that is the platforms that I use. I am making money on all my social medias. And not only am I doing it just because I'm at 11K, but Instagram, I've been making money since I've been like at 5K. So if you want to know how you can make money on all your social medias with the small following, stay tuned. But before we get into that, don't forget to hit that big red button down below to join this amazing community, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so I know the title brought you to this amazing video. I actually just went live today on Instagram and wanted to talk about this topic, and I noticed a lot of people were interested in it, had a few questions, so I was like, why not share it on YouTube and they can forever hold that information if they didn't write it down, and I can tell other people too, because a lot of people did like my tips. So I'm here to help. So I just want to get into about 5 different topics that will help you make money on social media platforms. And I'm not just talking about one. Like I said, I'm talking about YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Twitter, whatever it is. I'm sure this all applies to all of them equally. Now for my first tip, it's 100% easy. Anyone can do this. It's all about the hustle. The more you hustle with it, the more you make money, and that is affiliate programs. I know you're probably like, what is that? But that's when someone has a code with a certain website or has a certain link with a certain website. So every time someone shops using that code or link, the person that owns the code or link gets a percentage. For example, like Amazon influencer. I am an Amazon influencer. I will just show you guys my storefront. So anytime anyone clicks on my items and purchases it, I make a commission. And the best thing about Amazon, let's say like you go to be nosy to see my stuff, you click on an item, and then you just leave that open, or you're like, I'm not gonna just buy that. I'm gonna go buy something else, and like, I don't know, if you're lucky enough, someone buys like a MacBook Pro or something, but if they're still on your original link, then you also get commission on basically anything they buy. So it's really, really cool. That's why I love affiliate links, not only with Amazon. I'm also part of Reward Style, of A Billion Veg, that's a vegan brand. I have a lot of affiliate codes here and there, and I only do it with companies that I love and I can stand for. I am not gonna do it for a company that I don't believe in, because like, then that's sketchy. So absolutely do it with someone that you love. Also, I am affiliated with Target. A lot of these companies, you can just apply, just go to their website and scroll all the way down, and you'll see it 100%, whatever website you're looking at. It will say affiliate program and ambassador program, or it'll say collaboration, whatever it is, you know, just click on there, and you have to show them your following. Like, you can't just get it if you only have 100 followers, unfortunately. Once you're like at 1,000 plus, then it's a lot easier to get into programs. So that is my #1 top tip on how to make money using your social media. So now my second tip would definitely be joining an influencer market platform. If you don't know what it is, it's kind of like Grapevine, FameBit, hashtag paid. And there's a whole bunch of other links. If you want me to go through each and every link that I use, comment down below and I will add them for you. But you want to just join them. If you ever see a Instagram marketing platform that charges you monthly or charges you to be on their platform, do not sign up. None of them charge you. They do charge you though when you do get with a brand and start a collaboration through the website. Then they take a percentage, just like any agency or manager or whatever, you know. That's why they are there, to connect influencers and brands together. You don't have to have so many followers. Make sure you pick a product that you love and a product that you will be happy to review and recommend to your audience, and make sure it's a product that's in your niche. Like, you don't wanna, let's say you do beauty and then you recommend like a toaster oven. Like, they're like, what? You know, so definitely get something that is in your niche. No matter how much they're paying you, if it doesn't make sense for you to promote, don't promote it. So now my third tip would definitely be reaching out to brands. All you want to do is reach out to a brand, introduce yourself, tell them how you love their products and how you know their products would do great with your audience and how your audience will be interested in their products. Also, you want to link all your social media platforms in that email, and know your engagement rate. Definitely add that in. If your engagement rate is 6% or higher, that is phenomenal, because the more your engagement rate is up, the more they see that you don't have ghost followers or you bought followers. They see that you're genuine. You don't know how to do this, or you don't know what the hell I'm talking about. That is my next tip. That is my fourth tip. The reason why that is a tip, and it's very important, is because the more your engagement rate is up, the more you can charge for a post, for a story, whatever it is. It's not just for Instagram. This is for YouTube, for TikTok, whatever platform. Always make sure your engagement rate is great. For example, if you have so many followers, you should have so many comments and likes on each post. If you have 20,000 followers and only 100 likes, something's not right, you know, and they will pick up on that, and then a lot of companies will not want to work with you. Or they'll say, okay, I'll work with you, but I'm gonna send you stuff for free and you do a review, but I won't pay you. And I mean, it's nice to get free stuff, but like, we're content creators, we should get paid for our time. And if we're genuine and we really want to do this and grow our brand, then why not charge them if you have a great engagement rate? So if you do want to see if your engagement rate is at 6% or above, I am going to link this website down below. It actually, all you have to do is just put in your Instagram name. It'll tell you your engagement rate, and it also will tell you how much you should charge a company to post. Now, if your engagement rate is above 6%, you can actually double that number that they tell you you can charge them. My engagement rate is at 12%. They told me on that website that the most I can charge is $130 for a post. I've doubled that and charged more for a post with the company, and I've made the double amount. So definitely don't go by that, but it's a good way to see and kind of like see where you are and what you have to work on for yourself, so you can start charging the right amount and not really, you know, charge too much or charge too less and then you kind of get ripped off. But now my last important tip on how to make money on social media platforms is through YouTube. And I know you're probably like, I don't want to make a YouTube channel, but you should. And the reason why, it shouldn't only be about money, but if you do want to grow a brand and you're just focused on Instagram, YouTube actually helps you grow all your platforms. And the reason why, because a lot of people connect with you through camera. Through pictures, unfortunately, they'll like it, but they don't know you. Through YouTube, they'll connect with you, they'll know who you are as a person, and they'll want to follow you through all your other social medias. And the thing is, once you get monetized on YouTube, the way you get monetized is you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Once you reach that, then you can start making money with Google AdSense. And that's just every ad on every video. You make a little bit here and there. You know, it's a good little side check. But then once you really start getting into it, and I only have 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I've made quite a few sponsorship deals on my YouTube channel and have made really good money from that. By all means, make a YouTube channel right now. Start creating content, start finding your niche, and then trust me, it will help all your other platforms grow. And which, like I said, the more you grow, the more money you make. So those are my top tips on how to make money on social media. I really hope it helped. I mean, it's helped me. For instance, you know, with everything going on right now, I am not working. I haven't got a paycheck in over a month, and I'm still waiting for unemployment. It has not hit. So with that being said, I am not in a panic mode just because I have income through social media. I got paid through sponsorships from YouTube. I've gotten sponsorship posts on both my stories and my pictures on Instagram. And I just made a great deal on TikTok too. So that's why I'm saying you can use them all. Just keep going, keep promoting yourself, keep growing, and keep engaging. Because just because that following and subscriber number is high, if those views, comments, likes aren't there, then companies will notice something's not right. So by all means, don't buy followers, don't do anything sketchy like that, because it's not gonna help you, it's gonna hurt you. If you have any other questions, please link them down below and I'll be super happy to answer them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are well, and I really, really love you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.